The Quality Improvement Center for Workforce Analytics, or QIC-WA, was recently established to address challenges related to recruitment, retention, well-being, and equity within public child welfare agencies.
We're hearing everywhere that the workforce is really just stressed, overworked. People are managing multiple roles, and it's overwhelming. So I worry about the health of the current workforce, but I also worry about the pool of people and applicants who we need to fill these jobs, right? Like, who are they? Where are they? But then once we have people in the roles, how to make sure that we're supporting them to be successful.
The QIC-WA will work with state, county, territorial, and tribal child welfare agencies and their HR partners to understand their workforce data.
Agencies, large, small, and in between, had a ton of data that they didn't have easy access to. And in some cases didn't have the analytic capability to take a look at that data and could answer the questions that they were clearly asking to try to improve the workforce.
So really taking a look at what you know about your workforce and what you need to know about your workforce as sort of a starting point for the intervention that you are going to choose and implement.
Try any intervention in a way that has a possibility of having the intended effect and that you're able to measure that intended effect, at least to some extent.
The QIC-WA will test strategies to improve the workforce and use data visualization tools to make data useful to HR and agency leaders.
The first thing we want to do is understand the questions they want to ask. And then the next step with agencies is always digging into their data. We are there to walk alongside them and to help them make the best decisions about how to use data to develop their workforce and focus on any intervention and ways of routinely telling folks what's going on with the workforce.
So I think that there's a lot of creativity that we need to be looking for in terms of the who's and the how's, so that we can sort of refortify our workforce and make sure that we're actually making a difference for the families in our jurisdictions.